How to log in Binance account in mobile. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into your Binance account on mobile. Whether you're new to Binance or need a refresher on how to access your account on the app, you're in the right place. Now, what you need to do is firstly open Binance app. If you have installed, it's all right, simply open it. Now if not, you can simply go to the app store and search for Binance and download it. Alternatively, you can also go to the web browser and search for Binance. Now open the Binance app and you'll be greeted with the Binance login screen. Here you will see options to either log into your account or create a new one. Tap on login. Now enter your login credentials. First enter your registered email address and phone number. Then input your password. Make sure you enter the correct details for a smooth login process. Once you've completed the 2FA, if you have enabled it, you'll be logged into your Binance account. And that's it. That's how you successfully log into your Binance account on mobile.